Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, I'm super excited to dive into how AI can help you make some serious cash, effortlessly. Whether you're hunting for a side hustle or looking for passive income, AI has got your back. Stick around because I'm about to show you 10 ways to start earning today. Let's dive in. First up, AI-powered freelancing. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are gold mines where you can sell AI-assisted services. Think AI-generated blog posts using tools like ChatGPT, voiceovers with ElevenLabs, or even AI graphic designs from Midjourney or DALL. You could be earning anywhere from $10 to $200 per gig depending on the complexity. Next, create and sell AI-generated art. Use AI tools like Midjourney, DALL or Leonardo AI to craft digital artwork. Sell these masterpieces on platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, or Printify. Each sale could bring in $5 to $100, effortlessly turning your creativity into passive income. How about starting an AI-powered YouTube channel? You can leverage AI for scriptwriting with ChatGPT, video generation using tools like Pictory or Synthesia, and even voiceovers from ElevenLabs or Murph AI. No need to show your face. Let AI do the heavy lifting. Monetize through AdSense, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Earnings can range from $100 to a whopping $10,000 a month, depending on your views. Then there's selling AI-generated ebooks and courses. Use ChatGPT to write ebooks or online courses on topics like productivity, business, self-help, or even AI guides. Sell them on Amazon, KDP, Gumroad, or Udemy. AI can help with formatting, cover design, and marketing. You could earn $50 to $5,000 per month in passive income. Now let's talk about AI stock trading and crypto bots. Use AI-powered bots like Trade Ideas, Capitalize.ai, or Crypto Hopper to automate your trading. Just remember there's risk involved, so start small. The earnings vary based on market performance. For AI-powered affiliate marketing, start a blog, YouTube channel, or Instagram page using AI tools for content creation. Promote affiliate products from Amazon, ClickBank, or AI software like Jasper AI. Earnings, $100 to $5,000 a month, and it's totally scalable. Want to get into voiceover work? Use Murph AI, ElevenLabs, or PlayAT to create high-quality voiceovers for YouTube videos, audiobooks to sell on Audible, or podcast intros. You could earn $50 to $500 per project. Consider starting an AI chatbot business. Create and sell AI chatbots using ChatGPT API or ManyChat for businesses needing customer support automation. Build a chatbot once and sell it to multiple clients. Charge for setup and monthly maintenance, earning $200 to $2,000 a month per client. Another great idea is an AI-powered resume and cover letter service. Use AI to generate professional resumes and cover letters for job seekers. Offer these services on LinkedIn, Fiverr, or Upwork. Earn $20 to $100 per resume. Finally, AI-generated social media content. Use AI to create viral posts, tweets, and Instagram carousels. Offer social media management services to small businesses. Tools like ChatGPT for captions, Canva AI for designs, and Pictory AI for editing short-form videos are your best friends here. Earnings can range from $300 to $5,000 a month, depending on your client base. And there you have it. 10 easy ways to make money with AI. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more money-making tips. See you in the next video.